The bench press is arguably one of the most iconic and sought-after exercises for those aiming for an aesthetically appealing physique. Its presence is ubiquitous in movies, often portrayed as a symbol of strength and virility. It's not uncommon to face a battle for a free barbell at the gym, such is the interest in this movement. I've even fought battles in the gym for bench press when there's no one around. However, behind its popularity lies a less explored aspect. Today, we'll delve into the nuances of the body transformations triggered by bench press practice, so we recommend that you watch this video to the end for a comprehensive understanding and learn how to do it correctly for bigger and stronger muscles. So let's start with the 10 reasons why you should bench press at least twice a week to grow your muscles. And I'll tell you right away that number 7 will surprise you. Number 1. Muscle development. One of the advantages of bench press is that it's excellent for developing chest, shoulder, and triceps muscles. Since it works multiple muscles simultaneously, you get balanced muscles instead of being disproportionate. Number 2. Functional strength. Regular bench press training not only strengthens the muscles that perform the movement, but also the associated ligaments, tendons, and joints. As a result, your functional strength improves, making you capable of doing everyday tasks more easily and safely. Number 3. Aesthetic improvement. Bench press is perfect for having a well-developed, full, and beautiful chest. It's one of the main exercises to achieve these results, and you'll have a more aesthetic chest like Arnold Schwarzenegger's. Can you imagine? Number 4. Increased metabolism. Many compound exercises like bench press notably increase metabolism. Besides helping burn calories during the workout, this is done to help use more calories at rest, which can aid in weight control. Number 5. Variety of variations. Bench press has a variety of variations, including flat bench press, incline bench press, and decline bench press. Each variation targets different areas of the chest and works auxiliary muscles in different ways. You'll never feel bored and will maintain an interesting and well-balanced workout. Number 6. Posture improvement. A strong chest is essential for good posture. Bench press strengthens the chest and shoulder muscles, helping you keep your shoulders back and spine in shape, which likely reduces your appearance of being hunched over and prevents back pain and postural problems, especially if you're over 40. Number 7. Enhanced core stability. Doing bench press directly involves the core muscles to maintain trunk stability during the activity. The action strengthens the abdominal and lower back muscles, seeking body stability and balance, stabilizing the spine and improving posture. Number 8. Improved performance in other sports. Building a strong and stable body through bench press can lead to better performances in various other sports, such as basketball, soccer, and swimming, where upper body and trunk strength play a fundamental role, as well as leaving a more aesthetic body. And for you to become more aesthetic, I'll leave in the first pinned comment a practical guide on how to lose weight and have a more aesthetic body in 7 weeks. Just click on the comment link to get yours. Number 9. Injury prevention. In addition to everything mentioned earlier, bench press can help prevent injuries to the chest, shoulders, and triceps muscles during the practice of other exercises or even other types of physical activity. Furthermore, strengthening ligaments and tendons can decrease the risk of muscle injury. Number 10. Increased confidence. Getting stronger, lifting more weights, and seeing these changes in your body will certainly boost your confidence, and you'll certainly feel accomplished by reaching various personal milestones in terms of strength or aesthetics, which will have a positive impact on other areas of your life. Increased pushing strength is one of the most evident benefits of bench press. This movement contributes to the increase in the load you're capable of pushing or lifting. Besides sculpting the body, bench press also strengthens the mind, requiring concentration, control, and resilience. The more weight you can handle in bench press, the higher the likelihood of lifting heavier loads in shoulder exercises. Scholars like Lon Kilgore and Mark Ripito, in their work Practical Programming for Strength Training, indicate that shoulder press typically equates to about 59 to 67% of bench press. However, these numbers may vary depending on each athlete's training experience. A robust bench press can serve as an indicator of upper body strength in various movements. Predicting upper body strength isn't limited to bench press alone, often being used as a means of assessing the strength of this region in athletes. Bone strengthening is one of the benefits associated with bench press, as well as with other basic exercises, contributing to bone health. When the body is subjected to additional resistance, especially in vigorous movements like bench press, it promotes bone density. A study conducted in 2014 demonstrated improvements in bone health in individuals who incorporated bench press into their training regimes for osteoporosis treatment. The chest muscles are most directly involved during bench press, giving the chest a broad and robust appearance. Additionally, the chest is one of the main drivers in horizontal movements. The smaller pectoral muscles play a crucial role in rotating the scapula downward and are indirectly worked through the horizontal movements of bench press. The pectoralis major muscle is intensely recruited during bench press, giving the chest an imposing appearance. Additionally, it's one of the main drivers in horizontal movements. The smaller pectoral muscles play a crucial role in rotating the scapula downward and are indirectly worked through the horizontal movements of bench press. The serratus anterior muscle, located beneath the shoulder and resembling fingers between the ribs, is strengthened by bench press movements, aiding in pushing. The anterior and medial deltoids are developed and strengthened with bench press, being leaders in this type of exercise. Their growth contributes to a more robust bench press, as well as providing a visually pleasing appearance. The triceps, composed of 3 heads and responsible for approximately 2/3 of the arm's volume, are strengthened and worked in different ranges of motion by bench press. Stronger triceps confer advantages in other pushing exercises, while also providing a more defined physical appearance to the arms. However, many practitioners make mistakes when performing bench press, prioritizing lifting heavier weights over the quality of the movement. Let's discuss how to avoid such mistakes and perform the exercise with maximum effectiveness possible. To work the chest the right way, it's crucial to ensure proper muscle engagement. Many opt for a wide grip in an attempt to maximize chest recruitment, but this can result in reduced range of motion. To optimize muscle work, it's essential to position the shoulders less favorably by pulling them back and bringing the shoulder blades closer together. In this position, the chest muscles are stretched and recruited more efficiently. Additionally, it's fundamental to apply the maximum load appropriately. Avoid fully extending the arms in the upper phase of the movement, and in the lower phase, avoid pressing the bar firmly against the chest. The movement should be smooth without jerks to avoid shoulder ligament injury. Keep your feet firmly planted on the ground and your head firmly pressed against the bench to avoid neck discomfort. Choose the weight appropriately, gradually increasing the load with each training session. Remember that in bench press, the quality of the movement is more important than the amount of weight lifted, and avoid performing the exercise with maximum load in every workout. Muscles need adequate time to recover, and it's important to remember that. And although it's a widely known exercise, many practitioners overlook certain aspects during the execution of the movement or simply don't take them into consideration. Not skipping leg training is one of these common mistakes. By focusing exclusively on specific muscle groups or particular exercises, many forget the importance of leg training. Strong legs provide a solid foundation, essential for proper bench press execution. Therefore, don't underestimate the importance of exercises like squats and leg extensions. Even light but consistent training contributes to a more effective and safe bench press. Plan your workouts properly. When starting a training program, avoid overdoing exercises in a single session, in a single day, or in a single week. Overzealousness can harm your health, and as the load increases, you may lose pace, compromising your results. Realistically, assess your capabilities. Even if you have experience with bench press, avoid testing your limits excessively. Before each workout, objectively assess your physical and mental condition. Don't overload yourself with weights beyond your capacity. Remember that this isn't the main goal of the exercise. Pay attention to execution technique to avoid injuries and get the maximum benefit from the workout. The importance of correct technique cannot be underestimated. Before starting the movement, make sure to position your body correctly. Feet should be firmly planted on the ground, back aligned, and hands gripping the bar firmly. During bench press, keep your elbows close to your body, avoiding excessive movements that may result in injuries. Maintain proper form, concentrating strength in the correct direction, and avoiding excessive body tilt. Don't hesitate to seek guidance if you feel you're making mistakes. Trying to correct on your own may not be the best option, especially if you don't have theoretical knowledge or enough experience. Consult a trainer or more experienced peers for proper guidance. And do you incorporate bench press into your training routine? Share your experience with us in the comments below. If you liked the content, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Additionally, we're launching our membership area, where we share valuable information.